Oh, JJ, you think you're the only YouTuber to diamond play buttons? Well, think again. I'm just kidding, y'all. These are fake as hell. I didn't know what else to do for this intro. I don't know if this the play button video with Beerus. I don't know. I really don't know if it's this video or not. I don't know. I'm scared to. I don't know if I'm ready for it. So I guess without further ado, we're gonna see JJ, the only YouTuber with 2 diamond play buttons. Let's go. I'm kind of scared. Okay. Oh, it's going up to 10. Ah! Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh no! Oh, this is the video! This is the video!
Beerus.
Oh god!
It's time to give me what I want. The diamond play. So you want to play? You want to play with me, huh?
Oh shit!
You want to play?
Oh god!
Is that all you've got?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! What the Oh my god! Yo, this is the greatest thing ever! Oh my god! Yo! 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 Oh shit!
What do you think this is?
Oh my god! There is so much going on! Oh my god! I'm broken! I'm broken! JJ! JJ! Oh! I love that you're doing it on sound effects. I love this. Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, JJ, okay, you're okay, you're okay. Oh no. What are you gonna do? Oh,
Too slow.
Oh. Beerus an earthbender now too? Sorry, that's all I can think of. I don't know Dragon Ball Z references. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Oh god. Your power level is unreal. I didn't see this coming. Okay.
Oh god. I'm actually scared. I don't know what's... What's happening? Oh. Oh god! Oh, JJ, he doesn't eat like that. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, Barris, did you like that?
Man.
Oh. The bitch slapped you up. God.
I can't beat him.
What do you mean?
He's too strong.
But you're
There's only one way
JJ.
to beat him.
It's like, but you're JJ
I'm gonna
Olatunji.
need to transform.
Oh no!
I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I can reach that power level yet. There's only one way to find out.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is it happening? I don't know.
Welcome to my new form.
Oh god!
Way too slow.
Oh, What's... Oh my god, there's Barris's everywhere! Oh god. Oh, he's not even affected.
To affect me. What is this? Is this all you've got?
Is there more? Oh my god, there's more!
Oh, dear God! Alright, it's time to end this. Ferris, you really think you were strong enough, huh? You really thought you could defeat me? Not today!
Oh god, what?
Give me my diamond play button, bitch! Ah!
That was such a JJ line right there.
It is mine! Suck your balls!
But is Barris okay though? That's my question. I like both of them. Are they? Is he okay?
I did it. Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! Woo! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I have two of these bad boys. Jesus, your boy is stuck in diamond plaques.
Oh my
The only
god.
YouTuber to have 2 diamond plaques. It's mad. But in all seriousness,
Oh
thank
my
you guys
God.
so much for all the support that you've given me. Been doing this shit for 10 plus years, man. And it is crazy, just all the things that I've accomplished. It's unreal. And I'm always still breaking boundaries,
so
always changing people's perception on what a YouTuber can do. Yeah, man, this is huge. Like,
It is.
to have 2 of these, man. Mental. And if Simon hits 10 mil before the end of the
You're
year,
gonna have
you'll have
3.
3 of these. But yeah, big up my friends, my family, my girlfriend for getting me into this position. And yeah, it's,
Mo, I love
mad.
you for
And of
putting
course,
Simon.
big shout out to Mo, the editor,
Yes,
Mo Saeed,
Mo.
Saeed. I like saying Saeed. But yeah,
Saeed,
big up
yeah.
to him. I definitely would not have got these bad boys. Well, okay, maybe this one without him. Definitely not this one without him. But yeah, nah, he's helped me a lot. And of course, how could I forget? Big up Brosheb.
Oh yeah,
Brosheb
Brosheb
has done a madness. Like, did you watch that shit?
Yeah.
What the hell was that? It's
was-
mental.
it is,
You know, if you
it's
haven't
so
subscribed
good.
to Brosheb, subscribe to him.
Yes, I am
fam.
subscribed to
I'm sure he's
Brosheb,
gonna be
yes.
producing even more content for you guys.
Yes.
Yeah, this has been your boy KSI GDBT. Yo,
Yes.
we did it, baby. We did it. Are you mad? Yo, mwah, mwah. Alright, yo, I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care, peace.
I am so proud of you, JJ. You have no idea. I am so proud of you. That is so freaking cool, JJ. I love that from you. That is seriously the coolest thing ever. Oh my god. Oh, JJ, I just feel like I'm just so proud. I'm getting emotional. I'm sorry, but I'm so proud of him. That is so cool. Because it compared from the first time he got his first diamond play button, he just sat there and shagged the thing for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I don't remember exactly. Compared to this, I don't know any other YouTuber that could do this and people would love it. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's somebody out there that, like, could do, you know what I mean? But, like, in my knowledge of, or the very few knowledge, the little knowledge that I have of YouTubers in general, I don't know anybody else that could do this, and, like, we would be eating it up, loving it. So, like, you know what I mean? Like, this was legit a movie. Like, holy, there was so much going on, and I was like, oh my freaking god. Although he did not have his hair blue. So I'm wondering, so he probably hasn't dyed his hair blue yet, because I know he said he still wanted his hair red for a bit. But a bit, who knows how long a bit is? Could it be for the rest of the year? Could it be like a month from now, 2 years from now, maybe? Who knows? Literally from, like, because I haven't been there from the beginning. I already know, like, I know that. But, like, I went back and I've watched a lot of his old videos when I first found JJ, from where he started to where he is now. I am so proud of him, like, and I'm proud of his community. Like, we're just too OP. Our community is like this, just a fun community to be a part of. Like, me personally, like, if you don't like JJ, I understand. Like, some people are gonna love you, either hate or love somebody in a way. You know what I mean? Or, like, you know, like, certain things you like, certain things you don't. Like, it's just all depending on your opinion and everything like that. So yes, but for me personally, I'm so proud of JJ. Like, I feel like I know it's weird, but I feel like a proud mom. Like, I'm so proud of him. He's worked so hard for this. He's worked so hard. And I want him to have that third play button. I want him to have it so bad because, you know, he deserves it. He really does. He'd be the only YouTuber with 3 diamond play buttons. Sorry, because that just reminds me of Mark. I have 5 ovens. I'm a man who
owns 5 ovens.
Now this is gonna be JJ's. I am a man who has 3 diamond play buttons. Brosheb, dear lord, that was seriously the coolest. Just, oh my god, I loved it. I loved it so much. The way your editing style and skill is good. It's so good. I can't even edit like that if I tried. Because my editing is so, like, I'm still so bad at it. But I'm slowly learning, like, certain things and, like, stuff like that. And, like, I don't even know. But, Brosheb, big up to you. I am subscribed to you. I have seen stuff. Like, I've seen your stuff. It's actually really good. And congrats to you, you're freaking amazing. And Mo, I cannot wait for you to upload a video. I'm gonna be all over that, Mo, because Mo, I freaking love you. You're freaking amazing too, like, just everybody that's helped JJ to be the person he is today and everything. Just, thank you for everybody. Thank you for just, it's so good. Like, honestly, I don't know. Like, JJ's just, I don't know if I'd be like the same type of person I am today if I didn't know JJ, you know what I mean? But if you legit don't want me disturbing it, seriously, go watch this video on this, or in its originality, in its an original format thing. God, I can't speak, but it's so good. It was actually really good. I can't. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. All right. Bye.